Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Vanessa, psychotherapist and GLP-1 user. I wanted to come in for Mental Health Monday to talk about seasonal affective disorder while on a GLP-1. So we know as GLP-1 users that one of the side effects is fatigue. With that, as the season is changing, a lot of the time seasonal affective disorder as well as seasonal affective disorder like symptoms can kick in. When the weather or the seasons change, those of us who are in areas where the season changes, then when it gets colder and darker sooner and we lose sunlight, hence daylight, then our mood can shift as a result of that. Fatigue is one of the things that comes about. Things that may look like depressive symptoms. You may lose interest in the things that you usually do. You may notice that you feel a little down, which seasonal affective disorder is different from depression, but it can mimic it. If you are experiencing fatigue based on your GLP-1 medication, that you may also consider that the fatigue may increase as it relates to the season change. What can one do about this? There's a number of things. So there are lights that you can purchase that help. You can take in more omega fatty 3 as well as vitamin D, which we need. So now there's a lot of talk in the GLP-1 community around vitamin D3 and K2. Not that I can tell you what to do because I'm a psychotherapist, but I am not your therapist. I am also not a medical doctor, but I am sharing this information as I am doing this work every day with the people that I work with now as GLP-1 users and also during the season change. So if you would like to try supplements, talk to your medical doctor or professional about it, or talk to your therapist about some of the things that you can do to assist. But what I recommend to the people that I work with is to start looking at your supplements and also look at the foods that you're eating. Other tools that could be used intervention-wise, there's CBT, which is cognitive behavioral therapy, where we're focused on what is happening. So the weather changing, the sun going down sooner, these things tend to impact your thought processes because it will impact other areas of life. It will impact your sleep. That could impact your mood. So there are so many different things that are connected to seasonal affective disorder or seasonal affective disorder-like symptoms that one may experience. With that, I wanted to just come in and encourage you all. If you are experiencing fatigue on a GLP-1 and also if your mood shifts, it may not be the GLP-1 medication. Check in with your medical provider, but it may also be seasonal affective disorder or seasonal affective disorder like symptoms that are just kicking in because the weather is shifting and changing. It is very common for most people who live in areas or locations where the seasons change. So if this is you, maybe do more reading up on it. Talk to your psychotherapist about it. Also talk with your medical provider about it, and then decide what to do moving forward. I hope that you have an amazing Monday, and I will see you all soon. All right?